Our first step onto the podium and today's race champion, third place overall, racing for hot tubes, another junior rider, Colin Joyce. Our second step onto the podium, he's been aggressive all weekend long, racing for Team Helen, it's Nick Pollock. And our overall race champion, racing for Strata Racing, Club Team Racing, Danny Eaton, Strata Racing.
Good job, Danny.
I think Kyle wants to do a little more than that. Again, our top 5 riders, Todd Clements, Kyle Torres, third place going to Colin Joyce, second place Nick Pollock, and our overall race champion, Danny Eaton. Congratulations to our top all riders here in our Category 2 riders. Why don't you guys all crush together, get a good squeeze for our beautiful podium girls here.
Squeeze in.
Come on, squeeze in. Come on, get friendly. Give a hug.
Squeeze in.
There you go. Race director. A race director's job never ends. So again, here they are. Our men's Category 3 race champions here at the 2011 Callvile Bay Classic.
Nice.
Nicely done, gentlemen. Nicely done.
I think it's 20 for you.